Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a Fox-tastic day. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, and if this is your first time first time being here, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the button down below. My channel is all about helping people to make money through affiliate marketing, network marketing, just making money online in general. So subscribe to make sure you get the various videos I put out that will help you in that area. Plus, if you like the video today, go ahead and click on the like button. I'd appreciate that, and even comment. I like comments, good, bad, or indifferent. Today's video is day 8 of a 10-day YouTube video challenge that I'm participating in. So we're almost at the end of it, and it's exciting. It's more exciting that the money that we're earning through LiveGood, which is the company that this challenge is about, or through this challenge itself. So each day we have a different topic. Today's topic that we're presented with: what would I do if I won $50,000? And the reason that topic is there is because LiveGood, the company I'm with, has a promotion going right now during the month of December that if you recruit and refer a member in the company, or even an affiliate in the company, you will get an entry into a drawing for $10,000. But if you recruit 2 people that become a member or an affiliate, then you get an entry into $50,000. $50,000. I mean, that's like money raining down from the sky. There's money going everywhere. You want $50,000 without planning for it. So what would I do with $50,000? It's a good question. I really don't think about money like that, not that kind of way. I'm not a person that's into big money things and all that kind of stuff, but I like to live well, comfortable. So I hadn't really thought about if I won the drawing. Of course, I do want to win the drawing, no question about that. But if I won, I know the first thing I would do with the money is to spend it, to give it a percentage, 10%, to my church. I'm always going to, take care of my connection with God first, and then pay off some bills, of course. And then I would use the rest to put it into a very safe investment. So I'm able to get some income on a regular basis. And that's it. Like I said, I'm not a big spender. I don't dream about money. I'm just living life, to the fullest, and nothing exorbitant. I just enjoy life, and so those are 3 things I'd probably do with it. To think about it, for sure, give to my church so that we can help other people as a whole. Pay off some of the bills that I have. I don't have a lot of outstanding bills, but I want to get those knocked out, and then put it in an investment fund. That's a safe investment fund. We don't have to worry about it. We're just getting some steady little income coming in from there. So that's what I would do with my $50,000. What about you? What about you, my friend? What would you do if you won $50,000, or even earned $50,000? I mean, this company has the potential for you to earn $50,000 or more by working it as well. So if you're not in LiveGood yet, click on the link below to take the free tour and see how you can get set up. Because even if you join this month, you can still participate in the $50,000 challenge, as well as building a good income through your business. So take the free tour, see what it's all about. And I thank you again, my friends. If you liked what you saw today, go ahead and click on the like button. I appreciate that. Comment. I like comments. Like I said, good, bad, or indifferent. And if you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you really liked it, go ahead and share this video with some friends so they can have money raining down on them as well. Take care, my friends, and have a fantastic day.